going to school. This is a moment. Okay. In the morning, I am in my home, but now I am in the school. This is the locomotion, motion. From my home to I come from my home to here. This one is the motion. Okay. You are going. If the schools is there, you are coming from your home, school. So this one is the motion, and this is a locomotion. So the animals move from one place to another because of various reasons. Every animals move from one place to other place for the various reasons. For example, in your home, dog is there. For example, in your home, dog is there. Okay, you don't put don't put anything to eat for dog today, and the next day go to the next home. Not put anything to eat for dog in your home. Then next day it goes to the next home. For example, cat, dog. These are the things domestic animals also do like that. That means it moves from one place to other place for their food. It moves from one place to other place for their food. Okay. And what are the basic necessity for every human being? Food, shelter, and water. Water, food, and shelter is a basic necessity for us. So we are searching for food, shelter, and water. We are moved from one place to other place because of in search of water, food, and shelter. And I will give an example. Shelter. For example, birds. Today birds live on this tree, but in the next day if we cut down this tree, then that birds will move to the next tree. Isn't it? One tree is there. Bird construct the nest and lives in this nest daily. Today I will go and cut down that tree. What they did? They don't have any nest or they don't have any shelter to live there. So that goes to the next place and they construct the nest in that tree and live there. So animals move from one place to other place for their food, water, and shelter. And only this reason, no, many other reasons is also there. The reason is to protect themselves and their young ones during the difficult climatic conditions and wellness from the enemies and predators. For example, before Corona comes, many members lives in Bangalore. After Corona comes, they come to the native, isn't it? That's also a moving locomotion to protect themselves. They're moving from that to here to protect themselves or to protect themselves from the Corona. They're moving from locomotion, understood? To find the suitable partners for reproduction. That means reproduction means produce their own kind of young ones, and for their partners they will move animals like tiger, dogs, and lions. They search for their partners to reproduction. So what are the reasons the animals move from one place to other place? First is to protect themselves, and another one is protect themselves from the enemies. If my enemies come to kill me, what I did? I will go fast. I will run fast, isn't it? If my enemies come here and he try to kill me, what I do? I will go fast, run. I will run fast. So protect Move to the next one. Now, movement in terrestrial, movement in terrestrial animals. Terrestrial. Now, we will see the movement in terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, and aerial animals. Aquatic means waterly, aqua guard. So, aqua means water. Okay, aqua means water. So, movement in aqua means movement in water. So movement in aerial, air means air. So movement in aerial animals means aerial animals. What are the aerial animals? Birds. They can move in the air. Aerial means air. So terrestrial means land. Okay. Almost all the animals. These are the animals: cow, dog, lion, tiger, deer, and tigers. Tigers, they all are move on the land. So these are the terrestrial animals. So what they use for the moving? They use their forelimbs and the hind limbs. For example, here forelimbs and hind limbs. For example, in our human beings, here look at this. This one here. This one is a forelimbs. Front one means forelimbs, and this one is a hind limbs. Okay. Front one is forelimbs, and back two is hind limbs. These tigers, cow, and dog, these are all the animals. They use their forelimbs and the hind limbs both. But we are using only our forelimbs is this one. When we are a baby, then only we use the forelimbs and the hind limbs like this. Yes or no? When we are a baby, then only we use our forelimbs and the hind limbs like this. But now we are a big. Now we are using only our hind limbs. Okay? Our forelimbs is this one. Now we are not using our forelimbs for walking. Only our hind limbs for walking. This is our forelimbs. When we are a small baby, at that time we are using our forelimbs and the hind limbs both. But now only lions, tigers, dogs, and monkey, and all the camels, all the animals use their forelimbs as well as their hind limbs. Yes, cat forelimbs as well as their hind limbs for walking. Front limbs, forelimbs means front, this one. Hind limbs means back. Okay. This one is our legs is the hind limbs, hand is the forelimbs. We are not using that one for walking. Okay. But in a rabbits, this one is rabbit. Here in a rabbits have a very large muscular rear legs, which they mostly use to escape from their predators. Okay. Here they have a muscular rabbit. Look at their hind limbs. Look at their hind limbs. They have the muscular legs, okay, to escape from the predators. Okay. Frogs also have the strong hind limbs. Frogs also have a strong hind limbs, which help them jump from higher to. Frogs, what they do? Jump like these. Frogs have their strong hind limbs for jumping. Okay. But snakes have legs or not? Have a leg, but snakes do not have a leg, and therefore their muscles and the scales push them ahead. They use their muscles only. Snakes don't have any legs to move, so they are using their skin, that means muscles. Through the muscle, they move like this. The muscles help them to move ahead. Okay, muscles help them to move ahead. Okay, they don't have any forelimb or hind limb. Through their muscles, they can move. Snake. Movement in aerial animals. Aerial animals means aerial means air. What are the animals or the birds moving in the air? Then we call it as the aerial animals. Okay, aerial animals means the animals or the birds moving in the air. That But birds have a light weight and they have the wings and they have the light skeleton, okay, and fast digestion. These are the four reasons that helps the bird to fly. What are the four reasons? One is they have the wings. Listen carefully. Birds can fly because of these four reasons. First one is they have the wings, feathered wings, okay. They have the wings and their body is light skeleton. They have the light skeleton. And the third one is their body is lightweight. And the fourth one is they can digest the food fast. That means fast digestion is present. So these are the four reasons that will helpful to bird to fly. Okay. Birds also have forelimbs and hind limbs, but the birds' forelimbs converted into wings. Okay. Birds' forelimbs converted into wings, and their hind limbs, that one is helpful for them to hop, run, catch the prey. Okay. For walking, they have the hind limbs, and for flying, they converted their forelimbs into wings. Understood? This one is a bat bird. Here, this one also fly, but their wings are not feathered wings. Look at here. These wings are skin folds. Okay. These wings are not a feathered wings. These are the skin folds. Got it? This one is a bat and their wings are skin folds between the forelimb bones. Between the forelimbs bones, they have the skin folds. But other birds have their wings like this. Almost all the birds have their wings like this. This is, we call it as feathered wings. Okay, feathered wings. Look at here. In your home, if there is a hen, you can look at that. Their wings also looks like this only, okay? Your home hen also have the feathered wings. Thin membrane, this one is a butterfly. These have a thin membrane like this. These don't have a feathered wings. This one is not a feathered wings. Thin membrane like wings. This membrane here, this wings is like as a thin membrane. But these also can fly. Yes, these also can fly, butterfly, and another one is, which one? Bees. Bees have like these wings. Look at this. This one is a bee's wing. Honeybee. Okay. If you observe clearly, then you can find out the structure of the honeybee. This one is helpful them to fly. Okay, this structure is help them to fly. In the bat, the wings are skin fold wings, but in almost all the birds have the feathered wings. Okay, but also at that time you can observe the feathers of the hen. Okay, yeah, these are the two differences. But bat also can fly, isn't it? Bat have the skin fold wings, but then also they can fly. Okay. And birds have a fast digestion. Okay. Fast digestion, light skeleton, and breast muscle, and feathered wings. Or you can say just wings. That also okay. Okay. These are the four things helpful. Okay. Yeah. One thing is here.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.